Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Financeable, where we upload videos related to finance, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to transfer from Coinbase to Cash App. Before getting started, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. Now let's get started. So let's say you want to transfer Bitcoin from Coinbase to Cash App. Now let me show you a step-by-step process. First of all, you have to open a Cash App application. Once you open it, tap on this icon at the bottom left corner and then tap on Bitcoin. Now in this page, it will show you a deposit button. Tap on it, copy the receiving address. Once you copy that address, go to your Coinbase application. Once you open this app, you'll have to log into your account. Once you log in, tap on the send button and then paste the address that you have copied earlier from the Cash App application. Once you do so, enter the amount that you want to send and then tap on the send button. Once you do so, you will transfer from Coinbase to Cash App. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. And I'll catch you in the next one.